Good afternoon, class. My name is Miss Vollstedt, and I'm going to be teaching you guys a little bit today. Can everyone please go around and introduce themselves and tell me one cool fact that they have?
I'm Sam, and I like to eat brownies.
Oh, me too. Yeah, definitely.
I'm Jill, and I have a dog named Coco.
Kind of like Cocoa Krispies.
Yeah, because it's a chocolate lab.
Oh, I love Cocoa. Cute.
I'm Kaylee, and my favorite color is purple.
Purple. Okay, yeah, that's a really pretty color. Like a light purple or dark purple?
Dark purple.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about bar graphs. Can anyone tell me something that they know about bar graphs or might have previously learned in a different class at a different time?
They go up and down, or they can go side to side.
Yes, very good, Sam. Anything else? Okay, well, do any of you know where this data comes from? How do you make a bar graph? From what information?
Questions you ask people?
Yes, so kind of that, but does anyone know the specific term? A tally chart. Has anyone heard of a tally chart?
Yes.
Yes, okay, perfect. So before we get more in depth, I'm going to have you guys watch a video. Who loves videos? Yes, of course we love videos. And this is a fun little video. It's with robots, and who doesn't love robots? So we're going to hit play. Okay.
Where should we go on our next class trip? The zoo, the firehouse, or the apple orchard? I'm taking a survey and making a tally chart. What are surveys and tally charts? A survey is a list of questions used to collect information or opinions. Let's see. There are 3 dinosaurs here. Let's take a survey to find out which one our classmates like best. We can use a tally chart to record data or information. Let's see. Moby likes the Stegosaurus the best. You can draw 1 tally mark to stand for 1 vote. 5 kids like the Triceratops. So I'll draw 5 tally marks in that row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th mark is drawn across the other 4. Well, when you group the tally marks by 5s, you can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Sets of 5s are easier to count. 7 kids like the T-Rex. So after I draw 5 tally marks, I can add 2 more to make 7. Oh, right. I forgot to vote. My favorite dinosaur is the Triceratops. I'll add a tally mark to that row. It's really easy to add to tally charts. Now I can count the votes and use the tally chart to make a bar graph. What is a bar graph? A bar graph is a way to organize and show data. You can write the categories on the bottom. The 3 dinosaurs are the categories. Then you can write the numbers on the side. The numbers in our bar graph show how many people voted for each dinosaur. Let's see. 1 student liked the Stegosaurus the best, so I fill in 1 square. 6 people voted for the Triceratops, so I color in 6 squares. 7 people said the T-Rex was their favorite dinosaur. You can also put the categories on the left and the numbers on the bottom. You can display the same information in a different way so you can understand it better. How can you use bar graphs to understand information? Bar graphs help you answer questions.
Okay, so that was the video. So can anyone reiterate or tell me, probably shouldn't use reiterate. Can anyone tell me again, what is a tally chart? What did you learn from that video? What is a tally chart? Jill?
They asked a question, what was their favorite dinosaur, and then they put how many tallies next to the dinosaur to equal how many students liked it.
Yes, perfect. That was a great description. So how would you draw one tally mark?
Just a line.
Perfect. So then how would you draw 5 tally marks?
4 lines and then a line across.
Yes. So, like this, Jill?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yes.
Does it matter which way it goes across the other 4?
No, it does not matter. Good question, though. Okay. So, they kind of talked about some other components that you should have on your bar graph. Can anyone tell me what else you should have besides information in here and your tally chart? Kaylee?
The numbers.
The numbers, of course. So, where are they going to go? This way?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Anything else?
Couldn't they go at the bottom too, though?
They could, but for this purpose, we're going to have them, we're going to have our categories across the bottom. So we're going to have our scale going up and down.
Okay.
Does that sound good? What else do we need? Jill.
Categories.
Perfect. Yes, perfect. What else?
The title.
The title. Awesome. So where's that going to go?
At the top.
Right here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now we have 2 more components. Okay, well, that's fine if you guys don't know. We're going to have a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. So does anyone know the difference between vertical and horizontal?
Horizontal goes across like the horizon.
Perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. Good. So it's going to go this way. So this is going to be a topic or a category. Can't talk. This is going to be, we're going to label something right here. And then, so obviously what's the vertical? Up and down. So a good way to remember vertical is that a V goes like this and vertical goes up and down, just like the lines of the V. So, awesome. So now we're going to take our newly found knowledge and we're going to apply it to this bar graph. And the sheet that I passed out to you guys that's called Time to Practice, if you could pull that out, that would be awesome. Go ahead and write your guys' name at the top. And today is the 15th. So, okay. So today we're going to be making a bar graph together and it's going to be based off of favorite food. So the categories that I chose, if you guys don't like this food, I'm sorry. But I chose pizza, peanut butter and jelly, spaghetti, and mac and cheese. And since we have a small pool of people today, we're going to actually be voting on 2. So the first time I go around, I want you to vote on your first favorite food, and then the second time we go around, your second favorite food. So we have more of a pool of data to draw onto our bar graph. So, Kaylee, we'll start with you.
PB&J.
PB&J, first favorite. So, I want you guys to just follow along with me first, and then we'll fill in the data after we're all done composing our tally chart. Does that sound good? Okay, Jill?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Okay?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Perfect.
Pizza.
Okay, and I'm going to vote for my 2 favorites also, just so we have more. So I'm going to say pizza and spaghetti. So, now that
They're
we...
the same ones.
I know, wow, Jill. We must be twins. Okay, so now that we have our information right here on our tally chart, I want you guys to fill in the tally chart as well. So, awesome. Okay, awesome. Glad you guys could do that. So, now that we have that, I want you guys to kind of pay attention up here, and then we're going to fill it in after we are done. So, can anyone tell me what the title of this bar graph should be? Jill,
favorite foods.
Awesome. So where's that going to go? I forget.
The top.
The top, yes. So, favorite.
Hold on.